Every home begins with comfort, and few pieces define that feeling more than the sofa. It's where families gather, friends relax, and memories are made. Yet beyond its warmth and familiarity, a sofa can also represent an incredible opportunity for profit. For woodworkers, the sofa frame is a canvas of both structure and style, a place where strength meets design, and beauty meets business. Frame your fortune isn't just a saying, it's an invitation to turn your woodworking talent into a source of income by crafting unique wooden sofa frames that buyers crave. In this narration, we'll explore how the art of building sofa frames can evolve from a passion into a profitable venture. We'll dive into the materials, styles, and design trends that captivate customers. You'll learn how to brand and market your work, how to price each piece to reflect its true worth, and how every well-crafted frame can open doors to sustainable success. Whether you're a beginner with basic tools or a seasoned artisan with years of experience, the path to framing your fortune starts with understanding one thing: quality, creativity, and good marketing are the strongest pillars of profit. Wooden sofa frames sit at the intersection of craftsmanship and commerce. They represent the skeleton of comfort, the hidden strength beneath the fabric, and the subtle artistry that defines a room. For most homeowners, the idea of owning a handmade wooden sofa feels both luxurious and personal. They see not just furniture, but an investment in quality, longevity, and design. That's why this niche of woodworking carries so much earning potential. Let's begin with the foundation, the frame itself. A good sofa frame combines durability with design flexibility. Hardwoods such as oak, beech, ash, or walnut remain top choices for professionals, thanks to their strength and timeless appeal. For lighter builds, pine or rubberwood can also serve well, especially when reinforced with quality joinery. What truly sells, however, is craftsmanship. Visible joints, smooth sanded corners, and artistic curves speak to buyers who value authenticity over mass production. The beauty of sofa frame building lies in its versatility. You can create classic straight-line frames that suit minimalist homes, or bold sculptural designs that serve as statement pieces. A rustic sofa frame with hand-carved legs appeals to those who love farmhouse aesthetics, while sleek mid-century silhouettes attract modern buyers. Each style finds its audience, and with the right presentation, each design can become a profitable signature collection. To maximize your income, consider modularity. Today's furniture market thrives on flexibility. Modular sofa frames, designs that allow sections to be rearranged, are in high demand. They cater to small apartments, changing layouts, and families who want freedom of design. Creating modular frames with easily attachable arms and backrests not only raises the perceived value but also lets you sell additional parts separately, a smart way to increase profits per client. Don't overlook the importance of finishes. A rich walnut stain, a natural matte polish, or even painted frames in earthy tones can redefine how customers view your work. Remember, finish is often the difference between just wood and fine furniture. When photographing or showcasing your frames, highlight the grain patterns under soft lighting to capture their warmth and texture. As a woodworker, your goal is not only to craft furniture but to create a brand identity. Name your line of sofa frames something memorable: the Heritage Collection, Modern Roots, or Timber Lounge Series. A unique name makes your work sound established and desirable. Buyers like to feel they're investing in a brand, not just a product. Your craftsmanship is your credibility, your brand is your voice. Financially, sofa frames can become one of the most lucrative woodworking products you build. Even a simple two-seater frame can sell for several $100s, while premium custom models reach into the thousands. The key is to combine materials, design, and craftsmanship into a cohesive product story. Offer optional upholstery partnerships or provide frame-only versions for DIY enthusiasts who want to finish the piece themselves. Each model can target a different audience segment: affordable minimalist buyers on one end and luxury collectors on the other. Selling locally is a strong start. Display your work in furniture stores, home decor outlets, or interior design showrooms. But to truly frame your fortune, you'll want to go digital. Create a professional website or social media presence that showcases every design with high-quality photography and storytelling. Share behind-the-scenes videos of your process: sanding, assembling, and finishing. Let viewers feel the dedication in your hands. Those videos do more than entertain, they sell your credibility, and credibility converts to income. On platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube, people are constantly searching for design inspiration. Use that to your advantage. Hashtags such as #wooden sofa design, #handmade furniture, or #crafts can connect you with potential buyers and collaborators. You can even document the entire building process, from raw timber to completed frame, turning it into educational content that earns both attention and ad revenue. The more transparent you are with your craft, the more customers trust your value. Now let's talk about efficiency. Building sofa frames for profit doesn't always mean mass production. It means smart production, creating templates, refining your joinery system, and optimizing material usage to minimize waste. Every saved inch of wood adds to your margin. Investing in a few key tools like precision saws, biscuit joiners, or adjustable clamps will raise both your speed and product quality, helping you take more orders without compromising craftsmanship. Pricing is a delicate balance. Never undervalue your skill. Start by calculating your costs: wood, hardware, finishing materials, and labor. Then, apply a fair markup that reflects not only time spent but design uniqueness. If a frame takes 3 days to build and costs $100 in materials, pricing it around $350 to $600 is not just reasonable, it's fair for handmade quality. Remember that customers aren't only paying for wood and nails, they're investing in the story, precision, and soul behind your creation. Another strong profit path lies in offering customization. Buyers love the power to choose. Offer options for wood type, leg style, and stain color. You can even allow them to personalize with engraved initials or inlaid motifs. Small details like these turn a sofa into a personal heirloom, and heirlooms command higher prices. The more emotional connection a customer feels, the less they question cost. If you want recurring income, consider partnerships. Collaborate with local upholsterers, interior designers, or home stagers. Designers often seek unique wooden frames for custom projects, while upholsterers need sturdy bases they can finish with their own fabrics. A steady partnership means steady orders and steady income. Beyond physical products, there's another profitable path: education. As you gain experience, share your skills through online tutorials or short courses on building sofa frames. Teaching adds a second income stream while promoting your brand as an authority. Viewers who learn from you often become customers who buy from you. In a world of fast furniture, handmade wooden sofa frames stand out as timeless and sustainable. Market your products as eco-friendly, built to last, and designed with integrity. Customers are willing to pay a premium for furniture that respects nature and supports artisans rather than factories. Mention your use of responsibly sourced wood, natural finishes, or recycled materials. Each ethical detail reinforces your value. Wooden sofa frames are more than furniture, they are a statement of skill, taste, and opportunity. Every beam you cut, every joint you fit, and every curve you sand holds both creative and financial potential. When you build with passion and present with purpose, your craftsmanship becomes your fortune. The true reward lies in knowing that what you create not only supports comfort but also builds your success. With dedication, smart marketing, and confidence in your worth, you can turn each sofa frame into a story of profit and pride, a living symbol of your artistry. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.